Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to offer Afterpay for your business? Here's how to set up Afterpay for your business. Let's get started. First of all, go to Afterpay's website and click Business Sign Up. Enter your business details like name, website, industry, and payment info. Now submit your application. Afterpay will review it and approve your store. Then, once approved, integrate Afterpay with your online store or POS system. Now, customers can shop and pay in for interest-free installments. More payment options equal to more sales. Follow for more business tips. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.